Welcome to Urban eBikes. Unlike other electric bike dealers, we unbox, build, and most importantly, carry out an extensive pre-delivery inspection on your bike. Only when our specialist technicians have finished all checks is your bike loaded onto one of our vans and delivered safely and securely to you and ready to ride away. And here we have the unboxing of our Stromer ST5. This is one of our speed pedelecs in which we offer as part of our premium range. And here we have the technicians just taking off the travel packaging, ready for the bike to be built. And here you have your fully assembled Stromer ST5. With the extensive pre-delivery inspection completed by our service technician, your bike is securely loaded onto our van and delivered to your home or place of work, ready to ride.